Okay, no, you could trust me. You could trust me. You could trust me. You could trust me. Don't worry. Just keep going.
Okay. Maybe higher? Wait.
No. Yes. Nice. Oh, you're so smart.
Why do I have to be the one where I'm moving the most?
Wait, senpai, I'm gonna use the restroom for a second. Okay?
Yo, don't do no. I'm literally gonna end this stream.
I'll be right back.
You can't. I will actually throw up. I'm gonna have to close my eyes for like a whole 2 minutes.
Okay. And I press this.
I think that's enough momentum.
Whee!
Oh god, I hate this game. Ooh, I can see
Oh!
myself. Oh, what? Not again.
You know the drill.
Oh my god.
But why though? Well, you don't have to go in now. I'm not sure.
Oh shit! you said you know the drill, so I just have to end.
Oh no, I got.
Where am I?
And then you just gotta. You just gotta go get it. And walk over here. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do, Enna.
I'm not going through the time loop again.
No, don't. I would never. Just slowly come here. No problem.
I swear to God. I'm up the stairs.
Amazing. And then I think we.
Oops, I forgot.
No! Yes!
There you go.
I'm so proud of you. Nice. Yay! Welcome. You made it.
No.
Just get one and put it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope. It's over here! It's over here!
Sorry, what?
What did you do?
Okay.
Oh my god. No, please no. Wait, sorta, but like if you do that you'll eventually
Hello?
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get like
And
okay.
nice. Yes. Exactly. Yes. I'm so proud of you. I am genuinely proud of you. Whee! We did it.
That was terrible. I hated that.